Ram 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 Sarvebhyah Namo Namaha. Welcome you all to class number 17 of preparatory course for the exam, Shri Surasaraswati Sabha Shringeri Prathama. Gururev Gatir Gurumev Bhaje Gurunaiva Sahasmi Namo Gurave Na Guroh Paramam Shishurasmi Guroh Matirasti Gurau Mama Pahi Guro. संस्कृतं कथमस्ति? संस्कृतं सुलभमस्ति। किमर्थं सुलभमस्ति? संस्कृतभाषा सरला भाषा। अतः अहं संस्कृतम् अवश्यं पठामि। वयं संस्कृतम् अवश्यं पठामः। Let us start revising some of the Shabda Rupani and Dhatu Rupani and also learn one new Dhatu today. I request the students to be ready and please raise your hands in Zoom so that I'll be able to call out your names. Okay, we shall now quickly recall what each vibhakti means, so that this is very important and that's why I'm also revising this aspect. Prathama vibhakti, that is the subject. The person who does the action will be in Prathama vibhakti. Sambodhana Prathama vibhakti is used whenever we are calling someone, oh, hey, or whenever you're addressing someone in front of you. And then Dvitiya vibhakti, it depicts the object of the action or object in the particular sentence, or whichever answers the question to whom is this, etc. It will answer. Tritiya vibhakti is by or with, it's the instrument of the act. Then Chaturthi vibhakti is the recipient or the beneficiary of a act or of a dana kriya. You can consider it in that way. Panchami vibhakti, it depicts the point of separation or from, or if in case if it is a comparison, something is better than the other thing, etc. Shashti vibhakti is the relation. This belongs to someone, this belongs to me, etc. Of. And then Saptami Bhakti is the location or also the time with respect to when or at, on, etc. These prepositions, the meaning is related to these prepositions. Hope this is clear. We shall now start with the Kim Shabda. Pranaya Mishra. Request all of you to be ready and please recite loudly when one of the student recites here. Please recite.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Yeah. So Matah Pulingah Kim Sabdah. Prathama Vivaktihi Kah Kauke. Dvitiya Vivaktihi Kam Kaukan. Tritiya Vivaktihi Ken Kabhyam Kai.
Kena Purnataya Vaktavyam. You will have to tell us
Kena Kabhyam Kaihi. Chaturthi Vivaktihi Kasmai Kabhyam Kebhyah. Panchami Vivaktihi Kasmat Kabhyam Kebhyah. Shashti Vivaktihi Kasya Kayoho Kesham. Saptami Vivaktihi Kasmin Kayoho Keshu.
Uttamam, well recited. Dhanyavadaha. We shall go to Strilinga Shabda now. Renuka Bhagini.
Ram 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 sir.
Ram Ram Ram.
Makarantaha Strilingaha Kim Shabdaha Ka Ke Kaha Kam Ke Kaha Kaya Kabhyam Kabhihi Kasmai Kabhyam Kabhyaha. Sorry sir. Kasyai Kabhyam Kabhyaha Kasya Kabhyam Kabhyaha Kasya Kayo Kasam Kasyam Kayo Kasu.
Kasyam Kayoho Kasu. The Visarga has to be heard completely. Okay. Uttamam, Dhanyavadaha. And Kabhihi, the Mahaprana was not heard correctly. So please practice that. With that, I think it should be good. Dhanyavadaha. Okay, next. Kanda Mallikarjun. Skanda Mallikarjun, please unmute yourself and please start reciting the Shabda. Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Please read.
Kim ke kani.
First read the title. First read the title. Makarantah napumsakalingah kim shabdah, and then you can start reading the shabda.
Makaranta napumsakalingah kim shabdah. Kim ke kani. Kena kabyam kaihi. Kasmai kabyam.
Tell it slowly. No need to hurry. Kabhyam kaihi. Okay, continue.
Kabyam kaihi. Kasmai kabyam kebhyah. Kasmat kabyam kebhyah. Kasya kayoho kesham. Kasmin kayoho kesho.
Tamam. So only thing to note is the Mahaprana. Kabhyam, Dhakara is a Mahaprana. Kebhyah, Kabhyam. Okay, in all these places. So please practice the Ucharanam of Mahaprana correctly. Otherwise, well recited. Dhanyavadaha. Let us now go to the Asmad and Yushmat Shabda that we have learned in our last class. Satyajit Hota. Please be ready. Once I call out your name, please unmute and start speaking. Satyajit Hota, can you please unmute and recite the Shabda? Okay. Shri Nayana.
Namo Namaha.
Namaste. Namaste.
Ikarantaha Strilingaha.
Dakarantaha Trilingaha.
Dakarantaha Strilingaha.
Strilingaha na
Shabdaha.
Trilingaha. Trishulingeshu samanaha.
Trilingaha. Acha. Dakarantaha Trilingaha. Ushmat Shabdaha. Prathama Vibhakti. Tam Yuavam Yam.
Please note the Ucharan, correct Ucharan. It is Tvam Yuvam Yuyam. No need to tell the Vibhakti names, directly tell the forms. Tvam Yuvam Yuyam. Please read it correctly.
Tam Yuavam Yam. Tvam Tva Yuavam.
Yuvam. Okay, it is Yuvam Vam.
Bam Yushmat Vaha. Taya.
Tvaya. Tvaya.
Tvaya. Ubhabhyam. Vyasmabhi.
I shall tell this. Please repeat after me. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Tvam Yuvam Yuyam.
Acha.
From first I'm telling. Just
Tvam Yuvam Jusman.
One second. No need to read. Just listen whatever I'm telling and repeat after me. Tvam Yuvam Yuyam.
Tvam Juvam Juyam.
Tvam Tva Yuvam Vam Yushman Vaha.
Tvam Juvam Jusman. Tva Bam Vaha.
One second.
Taya Jubabhyam Jusmabhi.
1 minute. Satyajit Mohonia, 1 minute. So please listen carefully whatever I'm telling and repeat after it. Okay, so don't read directly. Whatever I'm teaching now, listen to it and repeat it the same way. No need to see the slide. Okay, just listen and repeat. Tvaya Yuvabhyam Yushmabhihi.
Taya Jubabhyam Jusmabhihi.
Tubhyam te Yuvabhyam Vam Yushmabhyam Vaha.
Tubhyam te Jubabhyam Bam Jusmabhyam Vaha.
Tvat Yuvabhyam Yushmat.
Tatah Jubabhyam Jusmataha.
Tava te Yuvayoho Vam Yushmakam Vaha.
Tavate Jubayo Bam Jusmakam Vaha.
Tvayi Yuvayoho Yushmaso.
Tai Jubayoho Jusmasu.
Dhanyavadaha. Please practice it. Please practice more and more. So it will be helpful. Okay, we shall go to the Asmat Shabda now. Narayan Bala.
राम राम नमस्ते महोदय दकारान्तः त्रिलिङ्गः अस्मत् शब्दः अहम् आवां वयं मां मा आवां नौ अस्मानः मया आवाभ्याम् अस्माभिः मह्यं मे आवाभ्यां नौ अस्मभ्यं नः मत् आवाभ्याम् अस्मत् मम मे आवयोः नौ अस्माकं नः मयि आवयोः अस्मासु.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः. नेक्स्ट गोपीरङ्गन्. Please read out the dhatu rupani.
अस् धातुः वर्तमानकालः लट् लकारः. अस्ति, स्तः, सन्ति, असि, स्तः, स्त, अस्मि, स्वः, स्मः.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः. नेक्स्ट NSL Narasimhan. Can you tell the next dhatu rupani?
नमस्कार. करोतु सॉरी कृ धातुः वर्तमानकालः लट् लकारः. करोति, करुतः, कुर्वन्ति, करोषि, कुरुतः, कुरुत, करोमि, कुर्वः, कुर्मः.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः. ज्योतिलक्ष्मी भगिनी, अहं पाठयामि. नूतनः तत्र शब्दपरिचयः अत्र.
अस्तु महोदय.
So please repeat after me.
नमस्ते.
Namaste. We are learning a new dhatu today, which is da dhatuhu. Da, dudai, dane. That is the original form of the dhatu, dudai. The meaning is to give, basically, dane. Okay. So this belongs to the Juhotyadi Gana. Okay. And the speciality of Juhotyadi Gana is there is a dvitva, or there is a repetition of the dhatu word in the final form of the Kriya Pada. If you see dadati, for if we have seen the other dhatus so far, whatever we have learned, we have it directly, like bhavati, gacchati, kridati, etc. But for all the dhatus in Juhotyadi Gana, there is a dvitva of the dhatu itself. Okay. So that's the dhatu itself repeats twice. And with based on many grammar rules, it will also there will be some modification with respect to the repeating portion of the dhatu. Just know about this, that is sufficient. This is a Ubhayapadi, so it exists both in Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi. So we are learning the Parasmaipadi Rupani as part of our course Prathama. Da dhatuhu vartamana kalaha latlakaraha.
Da dhatuः वर्तमानकालः लट् लकारः.
Dadati, once is sufficient. Dadati, dattaha, dadati.
ददाति, दत्तः, ददति.
Dadasi, dattha, dattha.
ददासि, दत्तः, दत्थ.
Dadami, dadvaha, dadmaha.
ददामि, दद्वः, दद्मः.
Please tell it once.
दा धातुः वर्तमानकालः लट् लकारः. ददाति, दत्तः, ददति. ददासि, दत्थः, दत्थ. ददामि, दद्वः, दद्मः.
Uttamam, dhanyawadaha.
धन्यवादः.
So a few points to note with respect to this dhatu. This is special dhatu. Is one important note is for the bahuvachana rupa, prathama purusha bahuvachana. If you see gachanti, kurvanti, etc., anti used to come. But here for this particular gana dhatus, if you see, it is just dadati. Dadati is the prathama purusha ekavachana form, and bahuvachana is dadati. That akara, the dirgha is just missed. That is the only difference if you see. So, but the remaining places, it is, if you remember, ti taha anti, si thaha tha, mi vaha maha. The remaining things are similar. Okay. So please note this point and practice this dhatu rupa. This is also one of the mostly used dhatus in Sanskritam, because in any dana kriya, Ramaha dadati, Ramaha Brahmanaya dadati, Ramaha Brahmanaya gam dadati, etc. Any wherever there is a dana kriya, this dhatu is used, dadati is used. So please practice this well. Okay, now let us quickly see the other example along with the sentences quickly, and then we shall proceed further. Arjun NN, sorry, Arun NN.
नमस्ते
Namaste. Instead of patadhatu, I want you to tell nrityati.
सः सा तत्तु
Yes, it is common. Yes, you will have to tell it completely.
सः नृत्यति, तौ नृत्यतः, ते नृत्यन्ति, सा नृत्यति, ते नृत्यतः, ताः नृत्यन्ति, तत् नृत्यति, ते नृत्यतः, तानि नृत्यन्ति.
Very good.
त्वं नृत्यति,
नृत्यसि,
युवां नृत्यतः, यूयं नृत्यथ, अहं नृत्यामि, आवां नृत्यामः, अहं नृत्यामि, आवां नृत्यावः, वयं नृत्यामः.
Very good, very good. So now just tell the forms of vadati. Similar to pathati, just tell the forms, no need to tell the sentences.
वदति, वदतः, वदन्ति, वदसि, वदतः, वदथ, वदामि, वदावः, वदामः.
Uttamam. Dhanyawadaha, Arun Mahodaya. So well recited. So keep practicing this way. It is very useful. Okay. Next, Ghanashyam Mahodaya. Yes. I want you to tell the forms.
Ram Ram Mahodaya.
Ram Ram. I want you to tell the forms for labhate, saha labhate, etc.
Okay. Saha labhate, tau labhete, te labhante, tvam labhanse, yuvam labhandete, yuvam.
1 minute. It is labhase.
Tvam
Tvam
labhase.
Continue.
Okay, sir. Tvam labhase, yuvam labhete, yuvam labhandve, aham labhe, avam labhavahe, vayam labhamahe.
Okay, very good. Only one correction.
Yuyam labhadve.
Yes. Okay, very good. So can you also tell the forms similarly for vardhate? No need to tell the sentences, just tell the forms. Vardhate, vardhete, vardhante.
Okay, sir. Vardhate, vardhate, vardhete, vardhante, vardhase, vardhethe, vardhadve, vardhe, vardavahe, vardhamahe.
Very good. Astu. Dhanyawadaha. Well recited. So this is important. So keep practicing this. So I'm just repeating the, we'll continue with respect to what we have learned in the previous class, that is the Varnaha, and then I will flash the homework screen, that is the Griha Karyani, just repeating whatever I had given in the last class, so that I'm ensuring that you all do this homework diligently. So only with practice we'll be able to get these Kriya Pada Rupani, or that is Dhatu Rupani, or even Shabda Rupani for that matter. If we are not practicing enough, then we'll not be able to spontaneously tell these forms or identify if we are seeing in any sentence which Purusha, which Vachana this particular Kriya Pada belongs to, or is the form of this Kriya Pada is. So and hence this practice is very essential, and it's a crucial thing that we all have to do. Okay. Agresaramaha, Varanaha. We'll quickly revise the names of the colors in Sanskritam. Let me call out one of the student. Sakshi Srinivasan. Can you read out the colors?
Ram 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 Mahodaya.
Ram Ram Ram.
Raktavarnaha, Pitavarnaha, Shvetavarnaha, Neelavarnaha, Haritavarnaha, Patalavarnaha.
Okay, in all places, Nakara, Varnaha, that na is not very accurate. So na, the place of origin for na is the Murdha. So we'll have to a bit roll back our tongue. Na, okay, Varnaha. Okay, anyway, it is sounding right, but it is not hitting the correct place. Okay, so next, continue.
Kaustubha Varnaha, Shyamala Varnaha, कपिशवर्णः धूसरवर्णः केसरवर्णः चित्रः.
Very good. Dhanyawadaha, Sakshi Bhagini. Well recited. So I request all of you to please practice all these varanas. So it can be also asked in an exam, and it can be used in everyday sentences. Now let me quickly draw your attention to these 7 questioning words, Sapta Kakaraha. So the way to remember, as I told in the last class, it is like reading all these in this order. Kim kutra kati kada katham kutaha kimartham. If we practice it twice or thrice, then we'll be able to get these names or these words for Saptakakaraha, or the 7 questioning words. Kim kutra kati kada katham kutaha kimartham. Practice this a few times, you will be able to get it. So what do each of these question mean is, the first one, Kim is what or which book, what is the name, etc. Whatever, whenever we want to use, we will use Kim. Kutra, where. Kati, how many. Kati chhatraah santi. I had given example sentences in the previous class as well. Kada, when at what time does this happen, etc. Katham, how are you. Katham asti, bhavan katham asti, tvam katham asi, etc. Next, kutaha, from where. Kutaha agachati, from where does Rama come. Ramaha kutaha agachati, or why does he come also we can use kutaha. Okay. And kimartham is why. Kimartham samskritam sulabham asti, samskrita bhasha sarla bhasha, ataha samskritam sulabham asti. So in this way we can make use of these questioning words, so which will be very useful. Along with this, the other word that we have already learned is to know what kind of object it is, so, or what kind of person, etc. That is to get the adjective, which is kidrishaha, kidrishi, and kidrisham, in all the 3 lingas. Okay, so these are the words that we will have to remember. So the grihakaryam, or the homework, that there's no submission as such, but for all of you, what you will have to do is learn all the kriya padani, whatever we have learned so far in Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi, and the new dhatu that we have learned today, da dhatuhu, the dadati. So please practice this well. Then Kim Shabda, Yushma Shabda, Asmat Shabda, and then all the varnaha, the names of the colors in Sanskritam. I hope you are already practicing the previously learned Shabdas, which are Rama, Akarantaha Pullingaha, Akaranta Strilinga, Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha, and then Tat Shabda and Etat Shabda. Please commit to memory all these Shabdas. Okay, and then frame sentences using the Tinganta words in all the Purushas and Vachanas. So based on that template table like Saha, Karoti, etc. Now try to add more words to that basically. So you can ask, instead of Saha Karoti, you can use Ramaha Karoti, okay, or Ramaha Gachati, Ramaha Pathati. Like this, make sentences. Then try to add an object to certain verbs like Pathati. What will he read? If you ask a question, you can say Ramaha Patham Pathati, Aham Patham Pathami. Like this. Please do these kind of exercises, these practices. That will very much help in using these Kriya Padas in sentences without any errors. Okay. So with that, we shall proceed to the continuing the learning from our previous class, which is the 4th lesson.